Hey, what's up guys, this is Tone here, and today I'm going to be talking to you all about something called lettering, or some call it calligraphy. There's a few differences, but I'm going to be showing you how to do it digitally. So as you can see, first of all, I have a new webcam. Hey, well, it's not new, but I just set it up so you guys can see what I look like if you've never seen me before. So yeah, there you go. And so I'm just in my room right now. I put it at 0 saturation because I'm having some trouble with coloring. It makes my face look really blue for some reason. So I just figured like black and white might work better. So what I'm going to show you guys is just how to do some simple calligraphy in Photoshop and Illustrator. So this should be a semi-short tutorial. So how I'm going to start off is, this is the This is the 2018 version of Photoshop, and I'm going to be using this standard brush that comes with Photoshop right here. So what I'm going to be doing is just writing down the word, or I'll just do Atone, just because, I don't know, for no reason. So I'm just taking the brush, I put it at about this big. This size is 4,000 by 3,000 pixels on here. So alright, so now I'm just going to use, I have a graphics tablet called the XP Pen, which is pretty much just a big screen that you can draw on with the stylus. So I'm using that right now. So now I'm going to draw a, and then I just, like, you can take a ton of ticks with this thing, just kind of get a feel for it. So A, T, one, and E. So at one. So there's a simple example of what you can do with this, and then if you just want to add some like driplets at the end, that'll work great. So now that you have that, Control T, make it quite a bit larger. Then I'm going to shift it so that it's kind of balanced out. And I will warp it. So this is just to make it more flow the way you want it to. So I'm just trying to balance it out pretty much. Give some general shape. So now that that is all good and balanced, I'm going to open up Illustrator. Now File, Export, Save for Web. And now, as you can see, if I zoom out, we've got our file right there. And then I'm going to save it as a JPEG, so save calligraphy tutorial. Alright, so as we speak, Illustrator is opening. So now that it has opened up, you can click New. Or actually, no, don't click New. Click Open. Alright. So now you're going to find your file that you just made and open it up. Wow, see, now I'm like glowing. Alright. So now you zoom out and then make it the size of the canvas, and then click on it, make sure it's selected, then do image trace, black and white logo. It'll do its thing. Alright, you click expand, right click, ungroup. Then you're just going to be able to select the black and remove it. So I just click and drag to select the whole thing. And then I'm just going to make this thing bigger. You want to make it as big as you can get, pretty much. And then I'm going to make it black so I can see it. Alright, so now I'm going to select it all. I'm going to go into this, click the direct select tool, and now you can go in and you can change each piece individually by little. So if I want to click on just this, drag it out, I can. So as you can see, you can really edit the entire thing. Just matters like how much time you want to spend on it, really. So if, say, I want to make this thing curve inward, I can do that like this. And it takes a little bit of time, as most things do, but then you can figure it out and have it be looking the way you want it to. And boom, now it curves. So there you go, that's just a tutorial on how to do it. And then what I'm going to do now, select all this, I'm going to make it white again, because I use black backgrounds usually in Photoshop. And then a file, export, save for web, save, and then go back to where I was, and then save this as a ping. Alright, so I'm going to exit this. Oh crap, never mind. Say no, go over here, and then file, place, embedded. Scroll down here, and you will find your calligraphy tutorial.ai or .png. Alright. So then you will just size that to where you want it. Get rid of the other one. And boom, now you're good. So make that this big, center it, and we're golden. So this is what you can use for a logo. This is how I've made certain projects in the past. For example, this one. That's how I made this typography. That's how I made this typography. You can see these are that way. So it's pretty simple, and you can get really detailed with this, as one could imagine. So there you go. That's my tutorial. If you guys did like the video, whoa, dang. Alright. If you guys did like the tutorial, please do subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So yeah, hopefully I ranked this high enough that you found it, and if you did, please do like the video so that it recommends it some more to more people. And yeah, thank you for watching. This has been Atone, and peace out.